The fourth quarter has already been packed with major camera announcements, and looking ahead, two Sony cameras are next in line for an update. The A7RV and the FX3 Mark II, both expected in the first half of 2026. There's a strong chance we could see at least one of them around February, following major industry events in Japan. But when it comes to the FX3 Mark II, here's the problem. Most of what's circulating right now is unreliable. Some websites are confidently claiming that the FX3 Mark II will feature a global shutter sensor, but when you trace those claims back, they largely originate from AI-generated videos and unverified sources. At this point, there is no solid evidence supporting a global shutter FX3 II. And honestly, Sony doesn't need one. What makes far more sense is a faster readout stacked or backside illuminated sensor, improving rolling shutter while preserving Sony's excellent low-light performance and dynamic range, areas where current global shutter sensors still struggle. Design-wise, it's reasonable to expect incremental improvements, better ergonomics, enhanced weather sealing, and possibly quieter or more efficient cooling. These are safe assumptions, but they're also generic and don't tell us much. As for video, there's speculation around 6K or even 8K, but this is where expectations need to be realistic. Sony has been very careful not to cannibalize its cinema lineup. The FX6 and FX9 still don't offer 8K, so it would be extremely surprising to see that arrive first on the FX3 II. More likely is improved oversampled 4K, paired with Sony's next-gen BIONZ XR successor, bringing integrated AI processing for better autofocus, subject tracking, and efficiency. The truth is, Sony is exceptionally good at keeping things quiet. We saw this with the A7 Volts, real details only emerged weeks before launch. So for now, most FX3 Mark II rumors should be taken with caution. As we move closer to 2026, the picture will become clearer. Until then, separating signal from noise is